This is a super big deal. Like my prediction is that, on this front, is that Optimus will be the biggest product of all time by far. Nothing will even be close. I think it'll be 10 times bigger than the next biggest product ever made.
A humanoid robot could completely change human life in ways we never even imagined. It might create jobs, but hey, it could also take some away. But let's be real. Most of us want to be less busy and work less, right? So yeah, there's always a trade-off. Enter Tesla Optimus, a robot designed to help humans with daily tasks. It can take on multiple roles as long as it's doing something useful. And sure, Tesla's cutting-edge software inside is impressive, but what really got millions of people talking, the price. A mind-blowingly low price that makes owning a humanoid robot feel totally possible. When Elon Musk announced that Tesla would start selling it next year, jaws hit the floor. So what exactly can the Tesla bot do? And how on earth can you get your hands on one for just $3,000? Stick around, because if you're thinking about ordering a Tesla bot, you'll want to know this. Welcome to Tesla Car World. During the recent Tesla All Hands livestream, Elon Musk made some bold statements and threw out some wildly ambitious predictions for his humanoid robot project. Now, we're not saying everything he said is 100% happening because, well, it's Elon, but some things are definitely locked in. For starters, Tesla plans to produce at least 5,000 Optimus robots this year, though, in true Elon fashion, he casually mentioned that the number could go up to 12,000. So, yeah, things are about to get interesting.
So this year, we hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th.
So yeah, things are about to get interesting. Now, when you hear 5,000 units, you might be thinking, wait, that's it? Or, there's no way they'll go beyond that before the whole production hell kicks in. Okay, you're probably thinking that. But let's flip the perspective for a second. Success isn't just about cranking out huge numbers. It's about actually getting a production line up and running. And that's exactly what Tesla is doing at its Fremont factory, something very few robotics companies have managed to pull off. The truth is, we've seen dozens, maybe even hundreds of humanoid robot prototypes. So many that you probably lost track. But where do most of them end up? Stuck in lab prototype purgatory. Cool to look at, but never making it to mass production. Very few companies have ever taken a humanoid robot from concept to full-scale manufacturing, and that's what makes Tesla's approach different.
And Tesla has some important missing ingredients that others don't have, which is our robot has a real brain. It's like the Wizard of Oz. It's got the real-world AI. So Tesla's the leader in real-world AI. What we learned in the car, we translate to the Optimus robot. And we also take our expertise in electric motors, in batteries, power electronics, structural design. And then another major important thing is that we're very good at manufacturing.
So far, the only companies we really trust in the humanoid robot game are Tesla and Figure AI. Why? Because they actually have a clear product development strategy. And more importantly, they've already built dozens, if not hundreds, of working prototypes. Sure, there are some other impressive robots out there like Unitree, Boston Dynamics Atlas, and 1X Neo, but we just haven't seen them scale up production yet. One thing's for sure, the humanoid robot race is heating up. And after closely following Tesla, Optimus, and the company's progress for a while, it's clear that Tesla has a major cost advantage over its competitors. Elon Musk even claimed that Tesla could manufacture Optimus for just $10,000, which is wild. But wait, what's this $3,000 price tag we mentioned earlier? Yeah, that's not the purchase price of Optimus. It's actually the annual rental fee. If you caught one of Elon's posts on X, you might remember that he confirmed Tesla will offer Optimus as both a rental and a direct purchase, but rentals will come first. Musk stated bots would be offered both as rentals as well as to buy, but the former first. This has sparked a ton of discussion about what a reasonable rental price for Tesla Optimus might actually be. A lot of people believe that if the purchase price falls somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000, then a fair rental rate would be around $320 per month, which comes out to $3,480 per year. And honestly, That doesn't sound bad at all. Renting an Optimus would let people test it out and see how useful it really is before committing to a full purchase. But of course, this is just speculation based on what most people hope the price will be. We wouldn't be surprised if the initial rental cost ends up higher than expected, because, let's be real, Elon Musk has already made it clear that $20,000 won't be the launch price. Therefore, the first batch of Optimus robots could cost $40,000 or more. What do you think is the most reasonable one-year rental price for Optimus? Back to Optimus production. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla isn't just building a product, they're pioneering an entirely new industry. This isn't like making a new phone or car, where you can just ramp up to hundreds of thousands or even millions of units right away. We're talking about a humanoid robot, a bot that requires absolute precision in every component, algorithm, and movement. Unlike EVs, Tesla doesn't have a previous version of Optimus to build upon. There's no existing production process to copy. Everything, from the assembly line to the AI software, is being built from scratch. So yeah, 5,000 robots in the first year, all featuring a brand new, highly complex hand design, is actually a big deal. According to Elon Musk, Optimus's new hands will have 22 degrees of freedom, which means an insanely high level of dexterity. That alone is worth way more than just hitting a big production number.
The new Optimus 22 degree of freedom hand and forearm is now in production. And it's learning to walk and catch balls. It's pretty cool. I mean, look, that's where we came from. It's wild. So in a very short period of time, Optimus has gone from being an idea to the most sophisticated humanoid robot on Earth. Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
What truly sets Optimus apart is Tesla's different way of thinking. While most robotics companies are laser-focused on building a smarter AI brain or optimizing a robot's walking speed, they often overlook something crucial: the hands. Think about it. Human intelligence isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. And what's our most powerful tool for shaping the world? Our hands. Every structure, every piece of technology, every intricate mechanism we use daily exists because of the dexterity and precision of human hands. Tesla gets this. That's why Optimus isn't just designed to be smart, it's built to be highly capable. With unmatched hand functionality, Optimus could be the first robot that truly operates like a human, bridging the gap between AI and real-world usefulness. This could be the game-changing advantage that makes Tesla's humanoid robot stand out from the rest and brings us closer than ever to a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our world.
Yeah. The hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
5,000 Optimus robots isn't just a number, it's the foundation of a revolution. Like the first bricks of a great pyramid, this milestone marks Tesla's transformation from an EV company to a trailblazer in the humanoid robotics era. Today, it's 5,000 robots, but tomorrow 50,000, and then 500,000, maybe even more. Because if there's one thing Tesla has proven time and time again, it's that they have an almost magical ability to shock the world. Need proof? Tesla produces a Model Y every 35 seconds. And during the recent Tesla all-hands livestream, Elon Musk dropped another mind-blowing claim. Tesla could manufacture a cybercab in just 5 seconds. Yeah, you heard that right. 5 seconds.
I think it'll be able to produce a car ultimately in less than 5 seconds. Like, can you imagine a car coming off the line in less than 5 seconds? That's like, whoa.
A slow start in year one, but once Tesla hits full speed, nobody catches up, and Optimus will be no exception. Producing 5,000 robots means that on average, each one takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete. Honestly, that's already pretty impressive. Elon Musk even joked that 5,000 Optimus bots would be enough to look like a Roman legion.
You know, half the 10,000 now, but even 5,000 robots, that's the size of a Roman legion, FYI. Which is like a little scary thought, like a whole legion of robots. I'd be like, whoa, okay. But I think we'll literally build a legion, at least one legion of robots this year. and then probably 10 Legions next year. And I don't know, it's kind of a cool unit, you know.
As Elon stated, Optimus will be the biggest product in history, far surpassing Apple's iPhone. So far, Apple has sold about 2.6 billion iPhones since 2007, generating around $1 to $2 trillion in revenue. If Optimus is 10 times bigger than the iPhone, its revenue could reach $10 to $20 trillion. So instead of asking, why so little? Ask yourself, what will Optimus be able to do, and will it truly be useful? That is what we need to know and care about.
You can imagine like your own personal robot buddy that is a great friend, but also takes care of your house. We'll clean your house, we'll mow the lawn, we'll walk the dog, we'll teach your kids, we'll babysit, and we'll also enable the production of goods and services.
As you know, Elon Musk has dropped plenty of hints about the kinds of tasks Optimus could handle as a homemaker once it starts working in households. And honestly, for a robot with an AI brain inside, those tasks are pretty easy peasy. Now picture this. You come home after a long day at work, and Optimus has already cooked dinner, cleaned the house, mowed the lawn, done the laundry, and even tutored the kids. At that moment, you'll probably think, yep, best investment ever. Of course, people are going to have questions like, wait, how exactly is Optimus going to do all this? Wouldn't it be kind of gross if it cleaned the bathroom and then immediately started preparing food with the same hands? Yeah, that would be absolutely disgusting. But don't worry, that's not how it works. We're talking about one of the smartest robots in the world with what Elon Musk calls a real brain. It's intelligent enough to know when its hands are dirty or when it's just finished a not-so-sanitary task. So what does that mean? It means Optimus isn't just a mindless machine blindly following orders. It's aware of its surroundings, understands its own state, and adjusts its behavior accordingly. It'll be like, oh, I should probably wash my hands first, because, well, that's just common sense even for a robot. Now the next big question is, will it break or freak out after washing its hands? For any machine or electronic device, water resistance is a huge factor in proving durability and practicality in real-world use. And for a humanoid robot like Optimus, this is more important than ever. Let's be real. No one's going to buy a Tesla bot if it can't wash dishes, rinse off food, or handle any task that involves a little water. The truth is, Optimus's older 11 degree of freedom hands weren't as well protected as the newer 22 degree of freedom hands we saw in the demo video where Optimus caught a tennis ball back in late November. It's pretty obvious. On the old hands, you could literally see exposed cables and actuators, which seriously limited any water-related tasks. But with the new hands, we're confident Optimus can now wash dishes, do laundry, bathe pets, and handle other chores that were previously off-limits. These are all new capabilities that make it way more useful. So yeah, washing its hands, not a problem at all.
I'm hopefully ready for Optimus to be used outside of Tesla-controlled environment, or maybe around the middle of next year, second half of next year sometime. So that's, I think, yeah, sounds about right. Probably second half of next year is when they'll be available. And then we will offer Optimus robots first to Tesla employees.
There are still a ton of questions about when Tesla will actually start selling Optimus. Unfortunately, it's not happening this year. You'll have to wait until Q2 next year. But honestly, we're not too surprised that Elon Musk confirmed Tesla employees will get their hands on Optimus first. This is classic Tesla strategy, the same playbook they used for their EVs. The first batch always goes to internal employees, celebrities, or anyone who can bring more value than just direct sales. Celebs generate massive publicity, while employees provide real-world feedback, helping Tesla fine-tune the product and fix any issues before scaling up production. Not only is this a smart move, but it's also a perfect example of Tesla's practical, strategic approach to rolling out new technology.
So that, because it's probably have a few bugs, but it's going to be very cool. You'll want to invite your friends over and say, check this out.
Musk has been pretty straight up about the fact that Optimus might still have some bugs, which, honestly, is totally expected with any groundbreaking technology. But when it comes to a humanoid robot powered by AI, even the smallest glitch can lead to some serious unintended consequences. Think about it. If a self-driving car messes up, it could result in a crash. Now imagine a humanoid robot operating inside your home. If it loses control of its grip, misunderstands a command, or glitches out at the wrong moment, things could get way more dangerous. And that's just in a household setting. Now picture Optimus working in factories, offices, or even assisting the elderly and children, where safety is absolutely non-negotiable. That's exactly why Tesla isn't rushing Optimus to market. Rolling it out to employees first isn't just about risk management. It creates a continuous feedback loop to make sure Optimus isn't just smart, but 100% safe by the time it reaches the public. This shows that Tesla isn't just chasing tech innovation, they're taking real responsibility for it. And in an era where AI is becoming a bigger part of our lives, that matters more than ever.
Because I think everyone, of the 8 billion people of Earth, I think everyone's going to want their Optimus buddy. And there's going to be maybe 2.
Why does Elon Musk call Optimus Tesla's biggest product? And why does he believe that one day all 8 billion people on Earth will own an Optimus, making the human-to-robot ratio 1-to-1? The answer is simple. Optimus isn't just a robot, it's a money-making machine. Not only will it generate massive profits for Tesla, but it will also help its owners save and earn money in ways never seen before. The demand for Optimus is limitless because it's revolutionizing labor and solving the rising costs of human workers worldwide. Imagine having an employee who works 10 hours a day, never needs rest, health insurance, or vacation days, and costs only $20,000 for a lifetime. Compare that to an average U.S. worker earning $35,000 per year, not including benefits, insurance, and other expenses. An Optimus can replace 2 to 3 employees, helping businesses save at least $15,000 in just the first year. In retail, it can stock shelves, clean, assist with checkout, and handle tasks that usually require high-wage workers. In the service industry, Optimus can be a waiter, receptionist, or hotel staff member, delivering top-tier service with unmatched precision. We get it, you might not like this idea. But here's the undeniable truth. Optimus will replace humans in many jobs. And it's not just for businesses. Optimus delivers value far beyond expectations, especially in agriculture. It can water crops, harvest produce, inspect equipment, and care for livestock with absolute precision, minimizing errors and maximizing productivity. With its ability to navigate rough terrain and climb slopes, it performs efficiently even in tough conditions, an advantage humans simply can't match. Beyond business, Optimus becomes an essential household assistant. It can clean, do laundry, wash dishes, take care of pets, and even help kids with schoolwork. Considering that hiring a housekeeper costs anywhere from $200 to $500 per month, owning an Optimus could save you between $2,400 and $6,000 per year. What powers Optimus with such endurance and efficiency? Tesla's advanced 4680 battery, allowing it to run for 10 hours straight before needing a recharge. Its powerful build lets it lift heavy objects, operate for long hours, and require minimal maintenance, making it a cost-effective and sustainable solution for both businesses and households.